Rama Residence Petitenget. This property is a 17-minute walk from the beach, a tropical getaway in Bali Seminyak area. Rama Residence Petitenget offers Balinese-style rooms with bleached wood furnishings and free Wi-Fi. Guests can enjoy free shuttle service around the area. Rama Residence Petitenget is within walking distance of Seminyak famous bars like Kudeta, Potato Head and Q Bar. It is a 10-minute walk to Seminyak Square Shopping Center. Garurai International Airport is a 30-minute drive away. Rooms come with a private patio where guests can relax on the large sofa. Room amenities included a flat-screen TV, tea coffee making facilities and a safety deposit box. En-suite bathrooms feature a standing rain shower. Sun loungers are provided by the pool.